G'day guys, welcome back to 2019. I hope you all had a happy and safe holiday. Broadhurst Builders are pretty excited. We've got a few new homes signed up for 2019 already. We're here in the 2 Road subdivision, same as the Cottle home, at April section lot 2. This one will be kicking off in about another 6 weeks. Let's head over to the Cottles and see how it's all going.
You've got me on your hit list. Hey, you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad.
Welcome back to the Cottle home, guys. As you can now see, we've got all the building wrap on and the aluminium windows are in. Our bricklayers, Blakemore Brick and Block, are here ready to start. Let's catch up with Neil. Right guys, so we're here with Neil Blakemore from Blakemore Brick and Block. They do a Broadhurst Builders bricklayer, they do a fantastic job. These are the bricks the Cottles have chosen. Can you tell us a wee bit about them?
Yeah, so these are the Lanzarote Austral NZ brick series. The 1.5 high, full black, no painted coating. So it's black all the way through. It's good quality brick, it's nice and straight, it's nice and square.
Right, so today's your first day on the job. How long do you reckon it'll take to knock this one out, mate?
Oh, it'll be 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days?
Yep.
And tell us a bit about the process.
Yeah, so first we rock up on a job, we do a walk around, we do an assessment of make sure that everything's all ready for us. We're not going to have any hiccups.
Yep.
So make sure post-wrap inspection, all that sort of stuff's passed. Then we start loading the job out, get some boys on that. Yep. Get our profiles up, nice and plumb, make sure we're over the foundation, make a gauge to go from foundation to feet. And yeah, we rip into it. Generally it's a 2 to 3 day process to get the job half high, job of this size, it's a good sized job. And then once we've got our half high inspection, council passes it off, and then we start topping it off. And then
awesome.
On to the next one.
Let's watch it happen. So before Christmas we took delivery and installed the Cottles double glazed aluminium windows. There's quite a few different colour options. The Cottles have thought that the silver will go good with the black. Should look bloody sharp.
I finished all the waste pipes before the concrete slab was poured. Now I'm here doing the pre-pipe. We've got hot and cold, which is all colour coded to make things nice and easy. So I've just installed these ISO valves on the hand basin in my toilet. This allows me to isolate the fixture at the wall. I never have to go and shut off my main water supply to do it. Normally I would just use these ones, which you just screw in, pressure test your line, take them back out and then hook your tap directly to the line. But in my own house I am using these ISO valves, just makes everything a bit easier for the future.
Run through the fire, out the wire, how it's everything I own.
So this is our main bathroom. We've got the shower in the corner here, which I've just finished doing the shower mixer and the outlet. Then we've got our vanity in the middle and the bath against the back wall. This is our kitchen and this is where our island bench will be. At an earlier stage I put a sleeve in the ground so I could run the hot and cold water through to the island bench from the back wall, which I have just run the pipe walk through now.
Hey guys, Nate here again from Broadhurst Builders. We've just had the Sparky and the plumber in running their pipes and wires, and me and Dylan are in today to straighten some frames and get it all ready for jib.
So guys, the bricklayers have now completed the Cottle home. They've done a fantastic job. Long gone are the days of associating brick houses with the old orangey terracotta coloured brick. There's plenty of different options and textures to make for a classy home. The Cottles have gone the black oversized brick. It's looking sharp. This is the entrance to the Cottle home. It's done in linear weatherboard, which is a really nice contrast to the black brick. Once it's painted, it'll make a really sharp feature of this home. So a lot's happened inside the Cottle home since you guys have last seen. Our boys have completed straightening the walls, put the internal doors in, the pink bat insulation has been fitted, and we've completed our 50-point quality check before the jib board's gone on. When we first started talking with Josh about building his new home, one of his must-haves was 3-car garaging, as he runs his own business from home. It's been broken up with these 2 partition walls, which separate the space but keep it open at the same time. It looks awesome. So before the jib board goes on, I personally come through each and every home and do a 50-point quality inspection. It's just checking things like the corners have stayed plumb, the top and bottom plates have stayed nice and straight, and nothing's been overlooked before your house is lined. So to comply with New Zealand building standards and make for a warmer, healthier home, all exterior walls have been lined with R2.6 pink bats and R3.6 bats throughout the ceiling. Broadhurst Builders offer a couple different options in insulation with pink bats and also earth wall products. And that wraps up this episode of Keeping Up with the Cottles. Join us next time as the house really gets personalised, as the paint goes on the walls, the kitchen gets installed, the flooring laid, and all the other selections that Josh and Rach have made really come to life. See you next time.